Recently, after a presentation, I attended the strategy workshop of a medium-sized company, a German hidden champion. The following situation. The managers present the results of their group work. Team 1 stands at the flip chart and starts talking and gesturing and showing and explaining. But the longer they talk, the more question marks float over the heads of the audience. Suddenly, someone shouts from behind, "Come on guys, forget it!" What happens? Defense mode? No. The 4 at the flip chart look at each other. They laugh and take down their sheets of paper. Colleagues applaud and the next team moves forward. In this company, it is normal to exchange ideas quickly, to discuss them and to discard them just as quickly if they're no good. Focused on the facts, driven by results and completely without ego. In my experience, this is quite unusual. In many companies, the corporate culture demands that every idea must be absolutely perfect before it can present it. The consequences? First, employees find it increasingly difficult to accept criticism of their ideas. Second, those who do give feedback end up wrapping it in thicker and thicker cotton balls. And third, in the long run, fewer and fewer ideas are developed. If, however, company culture allows ideas to be shared quickly and easily, even if they are scribbled on a napkin, and if team members' egos are so small that a "come on guys, forget it" is accepted with a smile, then the opportunity to be truly innovative is huge.